Yes sir, it's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So before we get into the video, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, go ahead and hit subscribe, turn on post notifications so you'll be alerted every time you post a new video. So AMC, GME, what the hell happened today? I know a lot of you like, man, we had a great start on last week, a nice start of this week, and then all of a sudden we had a mood shift. Things changed and we started downtrending, and it's looking like we're about to go right back down to where we started from. Guys, I wish I could let you know how strongly I do not believe that. We is not going back to where we started from. If you still look at it in the grand scheme of things, sitting at 23 support, even though we broke it today, we'll get into that on reasons on why. But sitting at this support of 23, hovering around this area, guys, it was only right that we, pull back. We knew this was to come. Worst case scenario after running up the way we did was 23. And that's exactly what we find in support at, guys. Due to all the hype, the demand, the FOMO, all that good stuff, the 365, we know, human nature doesn't change. And a lot of people know this thing is, inedible to run again, guys. We only had one good run with this whole little frenzy we had going on. We had an all-time high of $77 and started downtrending for the past 8 months ever since. Never seen no other type of pops. GME, on the other hand, they have the same characteristics as AMC. If AMC doesn't even, if it not have an even stronger community behind it and characteristics lining up to be even greater than GME, and we only had one pop, GME had about 5. It done went to its all-time high, came down to the low hundreds, came down to double digits, popped back to triple digits, came down again, popped back to triple digits, came down again, popped back to triple digits. So if you take that and put it all into perspective, that AMC hasn't really had too many times to shine, and I'm pretty sure we're going to get our time again, guys. We was getting it this week, but things changed and slowed us down, but we still is way better than what we previously was, guys. And we got to these points back over that offense defense level in a short period of time. It took them 8 months to drag us down artificially with these synthetic shares and naked short in AMC, and also sending 65% of our daily buying pressure orders through the dark pool being rerouted, and all the selling pressure is being done on the opening market, having us not to be able to go up in price like we should have been so by now, guys. But the thing is, why is things changing now? We talked about it previously. Things is becoming more expensive. More people, just because we believe in AMC and the price for it to go up, it's a lot of people, just as many, believe the price is about to go down. So it's a fight for those shares. And the more rare it is to be able to get those and require those shares, the more expensive it's going to become to short AMC, and the more higher the fees will become. And if it's costing more expensive to one of the largest positions that these hedge funds is getting messed up by right now, that means they're going to have to liquidate other assets, and their liquidity is drying up because things is getting higher and more expensive in this particular security that they're playing with. So with that being said, guys, things is really getting better for us, especially even though we know all of them tied together. It's all tied together. But like I said, if we can stay to the end of this, something got to come out, something got to unfold. If nobody's giving up, nobody gave in yet, and it's been over a year and we still carrying on with this situation, something got to fold, something got to give. And believe it or not, we is in a way better position than we previously was, guys. I think things are starting to get better. I feel something is still coming. So with that being said, just take a peek back. We was just trading at $13, $14 a share. Now we sitting at 23, 26. That's a double up from where we previously was. We done ran as high as 80% from our low. So guys, things is going in our favor. This drop back to where we was is not too out of the ordinary. If you've been following the channel, you was kind of prepared for this. We stated that the lowest point that we could possibly pull back to is 23. That's previous resistance. We had a strong resistance at 23. It was hard for us to get through that before we even seen the 30s again. Now we is chilling, treating this as a floor, the same point that we was working so hard to get through, guys. So that's good in my eyes, and we still got a lot to look forward to. GameStop is doing their stock split. That's going to attract more and more buyers, especially the herd that's invested in this meme stock frenzy, which is retail investors, people that really not that educated with the stock market. So when they see that cheaper price for GameStop, they is going to load up. And plus tax time is here. People is having extra funds. People is going to most definitely be intrigued by that price and load up on it. If GameStop do good, AMC is going to do good, guys. So like I said, and today, I know you may say 23 highs that support to the ones that don't really get it. I know it was broken today just by a hair, came down to 22.34. That's to be expected as well, guys, due to the fact that a lot of more advanced traders and investors know to sell and buy points. They also knew where this thing would come down to hold support at. So people have stop losses that was being triggered at 22.34, meaning that 23 might not exactly, but right around 22.90, 22.80, right under 23, people will start putting stop losses. If AMC price fall below 22.80, sell my shares. And that's when the algorithm and the market makers, they'll go in and they can see those sell orders right on the computer, because it's already being priced in. It's already being sent off to the algorithm. So they see that and they'll go through and choom. They'll knock everybody out, knock all those sell orders out. That way, take your shares and shoot the price right back up to where it belong at. That's why we went right back to 23 and some change in the after hours, guys. So just pay attention to all their little tactics, all their little moves. Everybody, we starting to get, more and more information. Y'all, y'all learning along with all this. And also, like I always tell y'all, don't be, be smart. Just be smart, guys. We'll get more into that later on. You already know, I ain't want to hold y'all. Your boy about to slide. Add me over there on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.